So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an account on Fiverr. So the first thing you want to do is go to fiverr.com. Through there you can see Fiverr Pro, explore the language, become a seller, Fiverr Go, sign in and join. Click on the join button. Through here you can see some options like continue with Google, continue with email. You can link your Apple or Facebook account as well. So I'm just going to click on continue with email. On here, I need to type out my email address. So let's do that quite quickly. Through there, they're gonna ask for your username and must begin with a letter and can include numbers and underscores. So I'm just gonna use the similar thing as my email. So you can see it's checked off. So through there, just click on create my account. Through there, you just need to confirm your email address. And you can see it says welcome to Fiverr and it will say your username next. Through here you can see your account has been created, but what brings you to Fiverr? So choose through here. I'm a client, I want to order freelance services, or I'm looking to offer my services. So let's just choose one of those. Since it's asking, you can see what you plan to order services for. If you're not sure right away, you can just go ahead and click on skip, or if you check on something, you can see the option next. So let's skip it for now. And you can see here how many people work in your team, just me, 2 to 10, and so on. You can even skip that if you're not sure how your team will look. If you can see what you're looking for today, start a project, specific service, just exploring, you can also skip a lot of stuff and just start exploring the page. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Fiverr or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.